This is the dry kombu. I bought this one in the supermarket. Today I will use this one to make the kombu dashi stock. We also need the scale to weigh the dry kombu. For this recipe, we need 10 grams of dry kombu. Okay, around like 10 grams. Next, I prepare the stainless steel pot to put the water inside for soak the dry kombu, and we need 1 liter water here. And now we put the dry kombu inside the water. And bring it inside the fridge to salt the kombu overnight. This is the kombu seaweed I sauced in the water overnight, and I just take out. So you can see now the kombu seaweed is get bigger. So now we can start to make the dashi. First we will make the Ichiban Dashi, the first stock. So now I'm ready to make the kombu dashi stock. But first I'm prepare the material and the tool here. So on my hand now you can see the bonito flake. In Japanese we call katsuobushi. And this one later we will add inside the kombu dashi here to enhance the taste. And I also prepare 2 bottles here, 1 bottle for the first stock and the other one for the second stock. I also need a measure cup and also the kitchen tongs to remove the kombu here when it starts boiling. And now let's do it. So first let me turn on the heater. So we will use the medium heat. When you can see the waters have some bubble inside, it's the right time to start remove the kombu. And after that we can add the bonito flake inside, and then we start to boil. So when it starts boiling, so we can turn off the heater and wait for a few minutes, and after that we can drain to get the stock. So we will prepare 10 gram bonito flake. Five gram. So, okay, almost 10 gram bonito flake. And I think now is the right time to remove the kombu. So when we wait until the stock gets boiled, we can add the bonito flake inside. Just wait for its boiled. And for the bonito flake, we keep inside the fridge. Keep it fresh instead of leave outside. Okay, now it start boiling. Okay. start boiling, and then we add this one inside. Okay, when we made this one, okay, then we turn off. We just leave here for 2 minutes, and I just say it's for 2 minutes right here. And now I prepare the filter. So 2 minutes already passed, and we have to remove the bonito flakes out, and then we can strain the dashi stock. So let's start to remove this one. Remove. And this material we can start to make the second dashi. We call Niban Dashi. Okay, done. I just leave it aside. So we can start to strain the dashi stock with the coffee filter. I just go over here. So now we have the Ichiban Dashi. So we already finished the Ichiban Dashi, the first stock. So now we can utilize the material here to make the second dashi stock. So the same, we just make with the 1 liter water. Okay. And we pour all inside. We turn on the heat, medium. Okay, start. And we will wait until it starts boil. So now I also prepare 10-gram bonito flake. Seven, 9, 10. Okay, already 10 grams. Just leave here. And when the water starts boil, so I will add 10 grams here inside and turn the heater smaller to simmer the dashi stock around 2 or 3 minutes. So I also put the label here, Ichiban Dashi and Niban Dashi. So because the purpose to use the dashi is different, and now I add 10 grams. bonito flake inside. And then I have to turn the heat lower. Like simmer it for 2 minutes. Okay, set the time to turn off the stove. Hit the timer. 1, 2, start. So just like this. That's all. So finish. Remove everything. After remove everything, so now we start to strain the dashi stock. So now we have the Niban Dashi stock.